Welcome back to 1 Minute Physio by St. Joseph's Physiotherapy Clinic, where we provide valuable information to improve your health, keep you pain-free and functionally active. You already know by now that at St. Joseph's Physiotherapy Clinic, we've got your back and also your knees covered. Whether you're into fitness, recovering from an injury, or just aiming to keep those knees happy for your daily activities, knowing about knee support can make all the difference. Let's break it down, starting with knee sleeves. These are like your comfy socks for your knees, perfect for everyday use and providing gentle support during light activities. They are great for walks in the park or those casual strolls. Knee sleeves are your trusty companions for preventing minor injuries. Next up, knee braces. These are your go-to guards when you're bouncing back from an injury or diving into an intense workout. They offer firmer support and are also ideal for people battling arthritis or existing knee conditions. And for those facing major knee instability or recovering from surgery, meet the hinged knee braces. With added stability, they are like your elite knee guards, ensuring your knees stay strong and steady. Now let's talk about the how-to. Putting on a knee support is as easy as a pie. Simply slide it on or wrap it around your legs snugly, making sure it feels just right, not too tight and not too loose. And remember, comfort is key. Take a few steps, wiggle around a bit, and ensure you feel supported while maintaining your range of motion. So if you need help choosing the perfect knee support or have knee pain you'd like us to take a look at, don't hesitate to reach out to us at either of our clinics at Surulere or Lekki Phase 1. Also reach out through the number on the screen above. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.